Watch this. The whole thing. The video hero, the menu, the booking page. It's a real restaurant website. And it's live on the internet right now. Anyone in the world can open it. I built it with AI in an afternoon. No design background, and honestly, I can barely code. I'm going to take you through every single step. Brainstorming it, designing it, and getting it live. Including the part where the deploy broke on me. And how I fixed that in about a minute. If you've never done any of this before, that's exactly who this is for. Let's build it. So first we need to know what we're actually building. If you are a designer or already have a design in your head, head over directly to Claude Design. But if you are like me and need some inspiration first, I go to Claude and Brainstorm. Here's the actual thing I typed. Nothing fancy. I just tell it what I want and let it think with me. I said that I wanted to create a website for a local pizzeria and that I needed a name, a color scheme, a logo, and that I also wanted the hero section to be a video playing on a loop, and that I needed the prompt for the picture and the video. And it gave me a color scheme, a logo concept, and a name. And here are the prompts for the video and the picture. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use this, but you can brainstorm back and forth to get what you want. Now I don't have a film crew, so I'm going to make the hero from scratch. I do the whole thing on one site, a tool called kie.ai. First the image, I picked the Nano Banana 2 model, and here I just paste in the prompt that Claude gave me. I make sure I choose the 16:9 ratio, and I hit run. And it gave me this, a picture of a hot steaming pizza, with the fire behind it. That's how still. Now here's the part I love. On the same site, I choose AI video. You choose VO 3.1 or CDance 2.0. And this is a little trick that makes it loop perfectly. I put our picture on the start frame and the same picture on the end frame, so that the start and end are matching, so it comes back around with no jumps. I'm pasting in the prompt that Claude gave me and I hit run. And this is what it gives back. The steam keeps rising, the fire keeps moving, and it loops forever. I always go image first, then animate, instead of asking for a video straight from text, because I get way more control over that shot and it's cheaper on credit. You pick the picture you love, then you bring it to life. And now we're gonna head over to Claude Design. Down here on the left, click on Claude Design. Here inside Claude Design, you can choose from one of these examples, or like we're going to do, we're going to start from scratch with a blank canvas. And down here in the description, we're going to paste in what Claude gave us. And I'm going to say, I want you to create a website from the text I gave you and play the video on a loop in the background of the hero section. The site needs to work on any devices, computer, tablets, and phones. And then adding the hero video, and then just click send. And now we let Claude Design do the first design. And now it's asking some questions, and we're just answering them. Here you can choose from the options. I'm just going to tell it to decide for me. Now we have our first version of the site. And honestly, I think it looks pretty good. We obviously want a picture here. We even got a book a table page. I really like how this turned out. The great thing about Claude Design is that you have this markup and comments here up in the menu if you want to tweak something. You just choose the element you want to tweak and describe what you want to do, and just send it to Claude. You can also choose to edit manually by clicking the edit button. Then you choose what you want to edit, and here you can edit everything: the color, the width, the font size. For example, I don't really like these dashes. They just scream AI, so I get rid of them. And just click save. Once we're happy with our site, we just export it as a zip file and extract it into an empty folder. Then we open that folder inside Claude Code, and there's our website. First we want to test it, so we just tell Claude to spin up a local server for this website. Now we can test how it looks and responds to all devices, whether it's a desktop, tablet or phone. We just open the link, and here we can see the page. Looking good. A quick tip if you want to see how it looks on your phone, just right click and click inspect. Here you can choose by desktop and phone version. and it's looking good. Even the video is working. Once everything looks perfect, you just give the command. The site looks good. Push this to a private GitHub repo and name it whatever you like. And now when it's pushed to GitHub, we go and check it out. And here on GitHub, we can now see our repo, which Claude named Pizzeria. That's all good, but now we want to deploy it and put it live on the web. We're going to do that using a platform called Vercel. So let's just head over to vercel.com. If you don't have an account yet, I highly recommend you signing up with your GitHub account, as this will automatically link everything together. Once you're logged into Vercel, head over to Projects and click Add New Project. From here, you see our GitHub repo, Pizzeria. Now all we need to do is click Import. Then it's giving us a name, and we just click Deploy. And now we wait. Then it says, congratulations. It looks like we have some errors, that we're heading over to the dashboard. I think I know what the error is, but I'm going to show you how easily you can fix it. First, we take a screenshot and head over to Claude Code. We'll just tell it, I just deployed this site to Vercel and got this error. Can you fix it? Now Claude is analyzing the files to find a solution. The issue here is actually that the main file is named tulikivi.dc.html, but Vercel's need is to be named index.html to recognize it as a home page. And look at that. Now that Claude has fixed the issue, it automatically pushed the updated code back to GitHub. The great thing about Vercel is that it instantly detects any changes on the GitHub repo and triggers a new deployment. So let's head back over to Vercel and check out our live site. Now when we open the page, we can see that it's working perfectly. It's literally that easy to deploy your website to the live internet. Plus, if you have your custom domain, you can easily connect it right here in Vercel as well. Quick one on the tools. I only mention these because they are generally what I use. This runs on a Claude plan, and I'm on Pro. The hero image and the video were both made on kie.ai, and I built the design inside Claude Design. Got it live through GitHub and Vercel, which is free. And the prompts you saw me type, I actually spoke most of them. I use an app called Whisperflow. Everything is linked below. A couple are affiliate links, cost you nothing and helps the channel. Go grab what you need. And that's it. A professional looking restaurant website. Designed, built and live on the internet. All with AI in an afternoon. Brainstorm, hero video, design and deploy. Even fixing the errors that popped up along the way. If you build one for your own place or for a client, drop the link down in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you make. And subscribe if you want more of these. I put new one out regularly. See you in the next one.